tech job updates, and here a notification from the State Bank of India, that is recruitment of the probationary officers. This is a particular website of the State Bank of India. Here in this website, you can apply directly. Go and visit the career page, or here you can see the latest announcement. From here, search for the recruitment of the probationary officers, and directly you can apply. And also, I have given the link in description box. Please click on that link, and you can directly go to this particular website. What I am showing now, and I have downloaded the notification, and we will directly get into it. This is the notification from the SBI, that is State Bank of India recruitment of the probationary officers. Online application, that is registration of the application, has already started from 5th October onwards, and it will be closed on 25th October. Please, the candidates who want to apply for this, you can apply within this deadline. Date is given, that is 25th October, this month only 4 days left, so you can apply. By applying here, you can see the website sbi.co.in career. So you can click here, and you can directly go to the website. And here tentative schedules are given. These are temporary schedules are given. So just look into it, and your examination, first phase examination will be on November itself. After that, online examinations will be second phase. I mean, main examinations will be on December, and final results will come on February, March next year. That will be, just look into it. Online vacancies are distributed according to the based on the category. SC category 300 vacancies for ST category, and 150 for ST, 540 for OBC category, WS that is 200 vacancies, and general category is 810, and total will be 2056 vacancies. It is included regular vacancies and backlog vacancies, and also PWD, for PWD also some vacancies are there. And after that, eligibility criteria is given, mentioned here. Essential academic qualification, that is you should have at least graduation in any discipline from the recognized university. If you are studying in final year, or if you are in fourth year, that is the 8th semester, you can apply. But the mandatory condition is they have put here, that is you should produce, if you got selected for the interview, if you have to produce the degree certificate, pass certificate within this date, before this 31/12/21. This condition, that is mandatorily put. After that, this is the age limit. Just we can look into it, and reservation for person with disability. SC/ST reservation is there for PWD. Also, there is a reservation, and we will directly move into the selection procedure. And selection will be a phase one exam, that is preliminary examinations and main examinations. After that, descriptive test will be there. Then finally, you will be having interview. First phase one examination will be having total 100 marks, and name of the test, that is English language. You will be having English language, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability. Number of questions also given. Total will be 100 marks, and duration of the time 1 hour. And there will be negative marks. Each question having 1/4, that is 0.25 marks will be cut if you make one wrong answer. Phase 2 will be the main examinations, and object test will be there for reasoning, data analysis and interpretation, general economy, banking awareness, and also English language. It includes total 155 number of questions, and maximum will be 200 marks, and duration will be 3 hours. And also descriptive test is there. Just you have to pass this descriptive test. That is not important, but you have to pass this. Number of questions for it is about 30 minutes and 50 marks. That is letter writing and essay will be there. That is descriptive testing. And after phase 2 examination, you just merit list will be drawn on the basis of aggregate marks scored in the phase 2. Phase 1 examination is for just for selection of, it is like a gate for the selection is for the examination 2. Okay, it will not be considered. That is phase 1. prelims examination marks will not be considered for the final selection. Only phase 2 marks, that is main examination marks, will be considered for the interview. And there will be negative marks for each question, that is 0.25. Final selection will be happens based on the your performance in the interview. And after that, selection procedures, we already told the basic salary will start from 41,960 with DRA, DA, home rent allowance, and DRNS allowance. You will get medical facility also, will get. And here, joining and training is given. Just look into it. After that, application fees. If you come to application fees, 750 for the general category, BO, EWS, and OBC category, and SC students and PWD candidates, their actually fees is negligible. Means they need not to pay any fees, application fees. Pre-examinations training will be there for SC/ST, religious minor community candidates. You can apply for that. Here, how to apply? You can apply directly by clicking here, and after that, nothing much you can see here. General information and some announcement. And my suggestion is only 4 days left for deadline of this application. Please, if the candidates who are interested for bank job, that is SBI State Bank of India, you can apply. Okay, thank you for watching this complete video, and until the next video, bye bye, take care. Thank you again.